They do their
No, this was in Paris, Grandma. This is when me and Greg went to Paris, Grandma. This is when me and Greg went to Paris. Does Grandma look like he has stupid written under his forehead?
Lived it with their mouth open, the way it always is.
He's not a big kid, unless he has written.
can't take them anywhere.
Nice try. There's me, Grandma. There's me again. There's me again. I'm all over the place. Good looking guy, huh? Still a smile on his face. I went to school with these two. Yeah, yeah. Church together. And the game going. And entertaining the lady. Sorry, your boy dog now.
The car went up? The price of the car went up?
Oh, no. His is an 83. No, 81, and ours is an 87. I would say ours. This is my car. Ours is an 87. No, so I told her, so I'm not working for nothing. What to do? She's training. I'll be training. And then we're so good. I said, yeah, but it's going to cost you. I said, because I know every place there is on the cost. And now starting on the cost of going down to the center of the but I have no problem. So that's what you pay me to train. I was told it's going to cost you. So I told her, I told her, so I'm not working for it, I'll drive for it. I told her, I won't wash the car, nothing. Go in, and I drive, that's it. Period. No fun. Yes, we use my car's weather when I take it out, or I'm going to get out, so guys from Blackhawk really big also, I think.
There's where I think you make some bucks. Blackhawk, looks like it.
It's $7 an hour, and it's over the table, big time, IRS is watching it. And they hand you a check, so then, the tips are just around, just around. Yeah, you can't really tell the people that that's what's lacking.
Son, where's the foil? Monster?
Well, see, no, if you heard what was going on, I think that baby was just sitting there, and mom was sitting on stage, and they just had,
Oh,
what's going on?
Yes, the cutest one. There's little bitty people, and there's big little people, and there's big people.
No, there's a counter digits. Oh, God, that was so good.
Those are the worst.
Oh, the brownies?
Yeah, the brown, and then when he gets drunk and he falls in the guy's pocket, and they're going, I want to go that way. No, I'm in charge, let's just go that way. No, let's go this way.
I'll never forget they told that great story. They go, we're not as scared of you. You just stomp them out.
It is cute. It's like Gulliver's Travel, all these exciting fairy gels mixed together. Where did they find all these dwarfs, is beyond, oh, the dwarfs.
Oh,
Huh?
yeah, a lot of them came from Walker's factory, shipped them over.
Oh, you like it then?
Oh, it's adorable. It is a
Very
cute.
nice.
And you know, one thing, it's long, I didn't realize how long
2
it was.
hours?
We went in at 2:30 and didn't get out till 5.
Yeah, after 5.
But when you get, it's a good movie though.
Oh, it's good though. It is good. I would too.
I'm very.
Good.
That's just saying, I'm happy.
Huh? Yeah.
You guys like rent yourself out for like comedy?
No, like my comedy please do it like Oregon.
Who's that?
Kelly's going to
Oh,
Oregon.
thank God. Why don't they
He's
send
going to
Gary
Oregon?
there
You know
too?
what the weird thing is?
I thought you guys
There's
were
nothing,
I thought
there's
he
no
had
one
to
to
go to
drink with
jail.
anymore, they're all moving away.
All my friends are
Rattled down,
Yeah,
yeah.
oh my goodness.
Oh, it was just all good.
All my rowdy friends are settled down.
Yeah, I
No,
have
he's on his way to jail, but I think he knows that dad will bail it out, whatever it is, dad will bail it out. Not the same.
He got arrested and gave his twin brother's name and everything, and he
Got a
said,
DUI, got pulled over, and they said, your name's Lee? Oh, Carrie Stovall. When they take his
twin brother's name.
Sorry, he's smiling, and all of a sudden, give him the print, sign it out. Off he goes, but he screwed up. His last signatures were from the leave. He just wrote, Kelly Soto. And then left. And then his brother got pulled over the other day, you know, they said, whoa, hey, you're going to jail. I'm like, no, really. I'm Kerry Soto, it was my brother, and they're like, yeah, right, buddy. Sure, let's go. I died. I just died.
Well, now he's telling me the guy out at the lake, who, I don't know about himself, he's some type of trouble, I don't know, but anyway, the jail is so full that he's under house arrest, and they have an anklet on him. And if he leaves his house or whatever, this goes off, and they know what his radius is. And that, and I guess the probation officer comes by every so often.
I'll be down in my garage.
I've heard of that, but they're gonna do a lot more of that because the jails are so crowded.
And,
The girl I work with, her son is almost has to go to jail. And he was under house arrest. And he had to stay in the house. He was in her custody, so he had to do everything she said. And, if he didn't, she could call the probation officer and they come to arrest him.
this guy had an anklet on, they could track
I
him.
didn't know his parents got limited.
That's right, we got away with that with somebody
There's a
else.
guy that was out there working on,
Well, Sharon, at least that's what they told him it was.
they called his house.
That's pretty expensive equipment to put on some shit. So I was here for years. I wasn't listening to you.
I didn't raise up the pants to check out his ankle either, you know.
Hearts Mountain Police Hauler.
Oh, yeah. And they got this
You
guy all
gotta
around.
have electronics in it.
Okay, Mary Beth.
Hey, do you ever send this Bill Falk stuff? Do you ever send this?
No.
I don't know, there's about 3 different.
Yeah, I talked to an insurance
Oh,
agent
no.
guy who sells insurance. He's like, they call him $1 million
Oh, he
man.
would say vote yes.
He said, no, he said not to vote on it. He said not, I mean,
Vote
to vote yes, right, to vote yes, because he says guarantees your insurance will go down 30%.
No. It might first
So
year.
he said that the reason why your insurance is so high is because all these damn ambulance chasing lawyers are taking these insurance companies to court. The damage to the car and the actual person would say,
Yeah,
I don't
say
care, there could be
$5,000.
bodily injuries too.
Oh, thank you. I'm still that way last night.
Well, what they're saying is that if your car's hurt and my car gets hurt, no suing.
And that's what,
You
not,
just
but
go-
that's not true, that might be on the vehicle, we fix the vehicle, but not for bodily injury. If you injure me, I have a right.
No, we'll just use whatever
Two
we
breaks
have.
in the last hour. So, total 40 minutes. I took 2 breath tests. The last one made me wait 45 minutes, and then they would take it again. Knowing that, you know, the blood alcohol was low.
lawyer funny.
Right?
Well, that stop sign has a tree growing over it. No, I can't, this is a long street about 3 miles away, and you stop at every block.
Took a big picture of it.
So what I can do now, I'll just take my $400 and
Yeah,
get a new name. Account it.
The senior adults get the
Oh, no, Jimmy was here, he would want us to make sure the adults had the little card tables. Yeah, Jimmy always says, you know, all the kids always had to sit at the card table. So this is fair revenge.
You in the wrong place.
Something like that. Well, whoever, probably Eric or Steve in that.
Like, what am I going overseas with this music?
Who wants some vino?
Last time I was there. Pulled over to look up. Where are you?
And those of you who don't want wine, we got sparkling apple cider. And I forgot we have some fun ones. They're very tactful.
Is this what the guests are gonna say?
No, they're not. They're bad.
What?
Want some Parmesan?
Huh? Yeah, I know.
How that, huh?
Oh, shut up. You're gonna be just as fat here.
No, I will never be fat.
You're absolutely right. You'll never be fat.
Drag you into here on your own vacation.
Where, I think,
Oh, we can count first.
Yeah.
Is that how
You
it-
want to eat it?
Oh, is that how we're doing it?
Okay, who would like Martinelli?
Oh, so we have a choice of Italian, warm Italian or cold Italian.
Oh, that sounds so good for free.
I'm sorry. You know, I'm gonna get a table if anybody needs it.
What do you got over there?
Like,
Yeah, okay.
I'm spinning my salad.
Parmesan cheese, anyone?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
Hey, I have a special place. Come on, how did I do that? And that was the bow tie.
Didn't have to agree?
Yeah.
So did I, and I'm imagine she thought so also.
You might be very busy.
Got it done.
black off, black we are.
Right here. Oh. A black one on top of your black. We're waiting for you there, Beth.
Yeah.
Hey, hurry up, you're late, we're already eating, lady. Better grab a plate while you still got a chance.
Hi, Steve, how are you? Good to see you again, how are you?
I'm just doing it.
Hi, I'm Steve.
I'm Cheryl.
Are you on?
Hi.
And this is Carrie.
There's Terry.
And
Sharon.
Sharon, hi, how are you?
I'm the butler, and this is the maid.
Actually, this-
Hey, Raymond, I'm the
How you
best.
doing? How you doing, you guys?
Cassie,
Kathy,
She would stand up and see me.
we just sat down and started to eat just now.
Well, Steve was about to slide into the shop,
Spy was in the shop?
Oh,
I think it's five from another,
Shop.
shop.
Really?
I can just tell right away.
good.
By the questions they asked, right?
Yep. And he really checked things out.
Sparking outside is on the table.
Right, where's the spaghetti?
Oh. They're already on the table.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, do we just have the?
Great.
Oh, the gas table's outside.
Sorry, guys.
You can be with us.
Go ahead and sit down, Hal.
Quite a salad there, Ray.
Where do you get these leaves? Are these like the ones people have won?
Huh? The what? Yeah,
Okay, so is it spaghetti time?
yes, just about. Eric, you want some spaghetti? Come on in, sir.
Sorry.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Ray, how are you?
Oh,
Okay, let's get glasses.
I know, but I think you're right, you
There you
late.
go.
How long have you been working here?
Not very
I
long.
just put two on the toast.
The pay's not good enough. This is the last night I'm working. I won't work for a joint that doesn't pay good. Okay. What would you like to drink? Okay.
Fine.
There you go.
No.
Okay.
Tommy,
'Cause we have Coke too.
We don't have any more ice cream.
Tommy, Tommy.
Sorry, this is the first summer that I had the luxury of having ice cream.
Linda, the oldest, three girls. Linda,
What was that?
where's Grandma?
and she's over here. Linda, Jimmy. I'm not too sure if Monday's coming to Minnesota than Brian or not. No, not yet. It's, Greg.
Right?
Brian's older than Nanette, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, Brian just turned 25. 25.
25.
So it's Brian, Nanette, and then Tommy. Nanette's gonna get married next month.
Yeah, you won't be busy.
Are you getting donations from here? Here, donations.
No, I don't want none of that. That's age. That's age because
That was your plate, Eric.
That was my plate, Eric.
it's,
Excuse me?
but you know that's probably like the limo I used to. When people would leave like a bottle of champagne, they had poured it in a drink, and I remember this lady saying, "God, that's so good." You know, and when they got a car, I'm like, yeah, I got the TV on, have a bottle, right? Guess you got a sore throat.
I'm gonna buy you that book about microbes, and they'll tell you how you do it.
Oh yeah, I'll be walking around with a white suit. Oh, paranoid. Forget it.
Open the door for them with your uniform, right?
That's right. Very good.
Oh.
We saw some really nice places, Dad.
She's breaking up
Today.
size.
Really nice places. Margaret, up on the hill, overlooking the valley.
No, we don't have, I don't have any,
Oh, the mole people?
The turd's on.
Oh, no.
Well, Grandma, you're gonna have to put up with these two guys tonight by yourself.
Look at it. You almost think it's something.
The women are gonna go walking.
Almost looks like, you know.
No, close on Sam. Hey, we should have
Sorry,
No.
That was the picture.
You're
right
gonna
there.
sleep all the way long.
Oh, isn't that?
Mom, would you mind Hal for a while for me?
Oh, your daddy will sleep with you.
They really are.
Bring your baby.
Yeah,
Sleep on
well,
your
I'm
baby.
supposed to be using this car.
I'm there with this.
Just got a galley on there.
it up in Shaft this weekend and then forgot to take it off the back of the car, so now I don't have a beach towel.
Oh, great, where's the beach towel you don't loan me?
That's right there with your film.
Okay. How come you took that one off the fireplace?
I know what you should have taken from the house. You should have taken my purple back knapsack,
5 in the morning?
What?
my purple backpack.
And you can't take it with that.
No, honey, but it's soft one. It could fold it flat in your suitcase, and then when you want to go shopping or
Oh,
run around for the day,
They say to take something.
I want to tell you, we used that in Hawaii all the time we were there. We took our beach towels and our lunch and a couple of wine coolers or Cokes or wherever we were going, down on the beach or out on a tour, and everybody else had to go buy their lunch. Al and I didn't. We got to go to the surf or, explore wherever we stopped. We had our lunch and our towels and our knapsack. And we'd wear our bathing suit under our clothes.
Can't do shit if you
Everybody else
do
took
that. You
shirts
get
off.
gray hair.
We could wear swimming while they're standing in line.
Women been down there.
We really used that thing.
You were on a tour, Carol, in Hawaii?
So we took side tours. We flew to Kauai for one day, and we toured the whole island of Kauai.
There was two
And,
trophies.
Those all your hair and your
there were most of the water.
I knew it.
Whether you have hair or not.
A book. It's a
No, win
book.
situation.
No, not a Bible.
It is too?
You have a Bible at the front door?
I had to use it for something.
You gotta come in and change this place. What's that? What
Your
is it?
sweater.
No, just went through the wash. Used to hang down there, went through the wash and whoop.
And in the dryer, cotton will do that. Don't throw it in the dryer.
So you got one sweater you gave me to wear, just
Yes,
wrong.
the $90
It'll fit a
sweater.
3-year-old down.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
so
said,
bad.
have you ever seen Eric in that really nice sweater I gave him for Christmas now? He says, oh, the one that'll fit our grandkids? And I go,
Oh, no, not that knit one. Not that nice one, that gold piece pant.
yeah.
No, that's hand washable.
Oh,
That ain't
that
gonna be
one?
glue and dry.
Yeah, the one from Nordstrom.
No,
The green
those
colored
are-
one with the yellow.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the Pringle that you put in
Yeah,
the
bring it
dryer.
out, they'll fit a Pringle.
I thought I found it.
Well, someday, Erin, you'll have another one at work. She wants me to buy her this thing in London. She's supposed to
Yeah, nothing.
spend money and everything, but she forgot about it. And I said, well, that's okay. Just tell me what it is, give me your address and everything, and I'll buy it and mail it to me if I find it. So, when she's like on this list, what she wants. She wanted this,
I think cash up front, you want it, give me the cash.
and it's made out of cloth pieces of Big Ben, London Tower.
No, Big Ben. Big Ben.
A roasted.
Yes, it's cheaper. You don't have to play Rudy on it.
Everybody's got a roasted. Hey, Mom.
If I give you the check,
My forehead.
all I have is a check to give cash.
Identical.
Money bag, having cash. Hey, money bag, do you have any cash in here that I can write your check on? Son, what do you need? She just married some.
Oh, are they ready? Are you all ready for dessert? It's too early, we're still full.
I mean, he's got a
Wait,
real.
Come on, Erin.
Look,
It's not for me.
sweatshirt and Russia, it's a basis for Peru. You know,
It's
you.
not for me, it's for the standards like that.
If you want to have Eric along to help you with the dishes, he's great. He knows how to do dishes.
No, there's not a
Yes, we have.
dishwasher. There's not a dishwasher machine in there.
Oh,
I
come on.
bring them, and I got it now.
We have to go to the club one night, he ripped those dishes out for now, they were very impressed. Where's that horrible towel? Oh, he's a professional man.
You know why I don't want my hair cut out my neck?
I've gotten immune to it.
That's all she does.
I know.
All night long. And she won't stop.
I know, and
Wait a minute, all night long?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, all right,
Mother,
great.
you know I'm a virgin.
This guy goes.
I hate to tell you this, but there's nothing virgin about you.
Oh, Greg, what'd you get me a shoes? Get a shot of those. Get a shot of those shoes. Pretty classy. Kmart have a sale?
She has her television over here, so when she's playing, she's back here with the edge of the pillow.
Do what?
Twisting it.
Plus,
But
that what you
some
remember?
people that deal in public
Evidently, because when I
prefer
have
to
long
have
hair now,
something.
my.
You know, what is this here?
They
Now,
wanna
what is
feel,
this for?
I guess,
What is the
younger.
purpose of this little strap right here? You
Hey.
can't hang it
You
nowhere.
know,
That isn't a stress.
it's taken 100 years to get done to finally get rid of that corporate hair. They used to let this side grow real long and wear it top.
No, you're serving it.
Oh, good one, Pep.
That was for you to serve, though. That's all I did.
Wow.
Oh. I lost it. I didn't hit it hard enough, did I? Yeah, I didn't think so.
Got a hole in your rack, and I see you.
Yeah, be careful with it. They won't last through tonight, that's why, and you don't have any money to pay for them. Okay, well then you can beat them up all you want.
It was over, Dee. It was over.
Stevie has $10 he says to cover when he breaks, so that's fine.
Whoa.
That's right. There you go. Got it. Cool. He's back. All right, we got him now, Stevie. Yeah, we got him. Yeah, you stay up there. That works good. Stevie, you stay in front. I'll stay in back. That really works good. That's
Whoa.
yeah.
Nice.
Well, that's what happens when you're trying to hog the whole thing and do all. That's right. Oh. No hitting the cameraman. Whoops. Hey. Get it over there. Oh. I should have hit it. Stevie, step back a step. Step back a little bit. Yeah, right.
Well, these houses are kind of expensive. That's why.
Are you guys flying, Steve?
Oh. Well, you giving up already?
You're all right. He's okay.
Oh, you're starving. Oh, come on. Let's see the judge's ruling.
Fine.
Okay, so you get all the troubles, I'll get all the hardest. That's yours. You got it. Yeah. Well, she's just out of reach where the fish are down, she can't be by. Somebody's got to go sit by her.
Dad, come here, dog. Here, Dusty. Right here.
Get it, TV. Oh, look at that.
Sit. Good job. Stay right there.
Okay, we'll get him this time. Here it comes. Get ready. We got it. You got it. Oh, right between it.
Sit. 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 Stay there like a good dog. Are you asleep, Peter?
Not TV at it. Swing at it, TV. I got that one.
Good back.
got a leash.
Good job.
Dusty. Oh, Jesus. Dusty! As I was talking. Dusty! You took off? Huh?
Peter was showing off the no leash in that dog and took off.
What are we having?
We're having packaged chicken.
Huh?
We're having glazed chicken. That's not ours. Ours is in packaged and sealed.
Ooh, I better get my funnel. Did he bring my funnel back?
Yeah.
I better get the, get my bonfire going. Watch out.
That dog makes Peter eat his words. But you know what? She ran down to Willie and Sarah's camp, turned around and came back to us. Yeah, I saw her. She showed you his boss.
I don't know what that was all about.
That was fun.
Yeah.
I found all the chicks I can use. I'm all filled up.
That's Willie. It's okay. Well, he was saying hi.
God, that's that?
Sure is. You know what? She barked at Dad earlier. You know, Dad got in the picnic basket to get a knife. Just stood up. Wow. She even knows what possessions are ours. How you doing, Willie?
Okay, good. They got me some shorts in town.
Oh, we did.
Yeah. Yeah,
Warm.
I'm back in business.
Size 89, wide,
89 wide.
double wide.
Look these kids, smart Alex. Aren't they smart Alex?
Oh, God. How'd you get that one?
Killer shot.
You know you're that tall.
I'm not. I had to jump.
Thank you for causing.
Why don't you take a picture of your dad working hard on the tent?
It's a vacation, you kidding?
He's working hard.
We're hardly working. We haven't
Hardly
that way.
working.
Well, go stay over the lawn. You'll reach over there. Go say hello to Willie. Go over there and say hello
Ninja
to Willie.
bandit.
Stop! I can't hit her when I'm
What, I woke up, I lay there and rested for half an hour, and I woke up, what's the motto in my face? You work hard for your money. What's the rest of it? It's a Safeway bag, and it's a motto. It says, you work hard for your money.
So we'll take every penny you give us.
No. So money works hard for you at
Yeah.
Safeway.
Yeah.
Don't you know that motto?
No.
That should be your pledge of allegiance every morning when you're shaving. When you're shaving in the mirror, that's what you should be saying every day.
See you, Pam.
I work hard for Safeway.
Break it, would you?
I give an honest day, I want an honest dollar.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
He did know it. Aha.
Our motto is find the customer who's honest.
They've been screwed up ever since, right?
They had to sell out.
Yeah, to the office.
They
Too late.
did.
Yeah. 51%. So the guys make fuck a lot of good beer, mate. It has almost all the TV stations in Australia.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, you could be transferred to Australia then, couldn't you?
No. I like to go someday.
I know.
I enjoy visiting there. Mm-hmm.
Say what?
Yeah, real
the
soon.
judge will let them. If that thing's so screwed up.
They're complaining about the way the boat was built.
I know.
Yeah, you should see it, boy. It's fancy.
Willie, did you hear
No, the Arts Festival is
Yeah, the Russian
O'Connor's
Arts
Green,
Festival or where they play the American
or the
Cup.
America's Cup. That was funny.
What did he say? Well, yeah, we all live in Marine Land.
I think the Arts Festival won out, didn't it? Over the America's Cup. What are you least interested in?
What was you least interested in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where they play the American Cup or
Or
something.
having a Russian
Our
Arts
mayor is
Festival.
wasting all her time going to Russia to get an arts festival to come to town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have so
And
much
here the
trouble.
sewage stations are pumping all over the beaches like
Yeah.
crazy, you know.
They're saying they got a $3 million arts festival from Russia coming to town, and they're going to be knee deep in sewerage when they get here.
Yeah,
We have no sewer
that's the
system.
truth.
I'm
The mayor's taking
getting
home,
back,
staying
I'm
home to
catching
take care of the business. She's over there trying to get an arts festival. So all the starving artists in San Diego are saying, what about our art? They said the videotape places were going wild.
Yeah,
People
yeah.
down there getting videotapes.
I don't
Drag that
understand
out.
why they needed to have.
You know what? That's the
I
key.
know.
That's the key. See, that's in the last 4 years, video has really made it home.
Yeah.
And that's the key. Everybody didn't have nothing to do. They didn't have videos or anything. For 4 years ago. 4 years later, they have videos and all that. They have time to do other things.
That's right. That's right.
the key.
If they have something, if they had an alternative, they go to it, don't they?
That's right. They didn't have one 4 years ago.
They said the networks are going to cut back for the Republican one. They said it's just that they're going to be hard time selling advertisements, so they're going to quit. They're not going to broadcast.
Only
as much.
one channel needs to do it, not all of them.
Can't they bid on it or something like that?
Yeah.
We watched Clint Eastwood movies all week.
Yeah.